Hey Google, talk to Maybelline.
Here's Maybelline.
Welcome to Maybelline Tutorials. Discover clever makeup hacks and the latest looks coming straight from our studio in NYC. Tap into a tip or look for the full tutorial and try it out at home. I can surprise you with my favorites, too.
Surprise me.
Choose one of the 3 boxes to get a surprise makeup look or tip.
Box A.
Your box contained pink smoky eye. To view the tutorial, say begin, or say back to choose another box.
Begin.
Play with different tones of the pretty and pink shade for a monochromatic look. Now, say start, or click on one of the steps to begin from that point.
Start.
Use a deeper pink eyeshadow to define your eye shape. Blend until edges soften. When you're ready to move on, just ask for the next step. Add a shimmery eyeshadow to the lower part of the lid, closer to the lash line. Use this same shadow to highlight beneath the brow and blend. When you're ready to move on, just ask for the next step. Coat lashes with mascara. When you're ready to move on, just ask for the next step. Apply 1 coat of matte pink liquid lipstick. Super! You've completed the look. Now, would you like to see the products that we used in this tutorial?
Yes.
Sure. Here are the products which were mentioned in the tutorial you just heard. Click on the product for more information or choose to start over.